Hello everyone. Today I'd like to make a little demo of a feature that we had for OpenShift Pipeline 1.15 release, a feature of pack, and that makes things a bit more flexible. The way you use what we call Gitops commands. Gitops command has those /test, /vtest, and things like that. And show you like how to make a powerful pipeline run using those commands and other features of pipeline as code. So now, since OpenShift Pipeline 1.15, we have a new annotation called on comment. So the idea is that whenever there is this regex matching, then the pipeline run merge PR is going to be automatically get file, and you can do something with it. So you have way to do trigger comments. You have like a new template variable called trigger comments, which give you the whole comments into it. But additionally, something that we add as well for this release is being able to redefine the custom parameters. So you have like some standard parameters like either headers, repo name, repo owner, and other stuff, and those are usually statics. But now, like when you use Gitops commands, so including the one that you can do custom ones, you are able to pass key value, and being able to redefine them. So same goes with custom parameters. So custom parameters are those parameters that you define on your repo CR, and you're able like to redefine them. So let me show you a little demo of a pipeline run I wanted to do, being able to backport some commits of a pipeline run to a different branch. That's a common workflow in Git that a lot of people are doing it, and I wanted like to use some of the feature of pipeline as code to be able to do that. So the annotation is going to match /up, and whenever there is going to be a /up, by default, if there is no arguments into it, it's going to do a rebase against the main branch and for the current pipeline run. And if there is an argument into it, so the argument is called branch, then it's going to backport the change that's happening on this pull request to the branch called branch. So that's a custom parameter that I have defined. I have the repo CR here, and it's basically like a custom parameter that's been defined called branch, defined to none by default, which I'm going to use later on. So you can see here in the condition of the shell script that say if it's been defined and it's not equal at none, which is the default value, then you are going to do a checkout of the branch of the pull request, and going to push it to the origin, which is the origin where the pull request comes from. So it goes like back to the fork basically. The shell script itself like is using a lot of template variables. Those template variables, you can see them in these documentations. Authoring pipeline run. If you go here, it's like you get all the values of those are template variable that gets automatically filled according to the payloads of on pipeline as code, and you can see the value. So basically, I'm using the sender, which is like the fork name basically, and the repo name, and I'm using the temporary token that gets generated by the GitHub apps. And I'm checking out like the origin as which is the fork basically, and upstream is it's where the PR are going to be merged. And I'm setting up two remotes, and then I'm doing a condition. If there is an argument that's been passed, then I'm going to backport. If not, I'm just going to do a rebase. So let's see if it works. So first of all, I am going to just use I'm just going to issue a /up. So currently there is nothing that's been matched, because we say like only start pipeline run whenever there is a comment that we wanted. not sure what's going on my computer. Okay, so let's do the start. So we do a slash up. So now, like, there is not, like, so as I said before, there is nothing on the main branch that's going to change. So it's not going to update the PR that much, but it's going to start and it's going to try. So I just started it. I'm going to watch what's going on. So it started, so it detected the comment, as you see from the controller, and it's automatically created it, and it's going to finish it. So if I look at the logs, there's nothing between the main branch and the current branch, so there's nothing to replace. So more nicely, is that I want to be able to backport this pipeline run to the backport branch. So the backport branch is something that I really have checked out. So it's called backport, I think. Yeah, hopefully it's there. Yeah, and it has this SHD. So the SHD are not different right now. So it's nothing going to backport. So let me create like a commit, and after I can backport. So let's do a new commit. Hello world. I'm going to add it. New change, and I'm going to push it to the upgrade branch. So what we want to do is this new commit that just get created, we want to backport it to the branch backport. So now, like, there's nothing going on. Hopefully, let me do a refresh. All right. Yeah, I don't know what Gitops is doing right now, but it should come with nothing. So, but I can do slash up branch equal backport, and now it's going to automatically backport it. So let me do the comment and going to watch the log. So it's been created, it's detected the branch, and it started the pipeline run that's going to do the backport. And now I'm going to look at the logs. So you see, it detected that the branch backport, so like it's been defined, and it's going to do the checkout and it's going to push it. If I go back to my it's here. If I go back to my branch backport, I can see that it's been backported. So first I need to rebase it. And you see, like, that commit that I just had before has been backported to the backport thing. So yeah, that's the example which I'll share later on the comment of that video of the pipeline run. But you can see, like, how useful it is and how powerful you can make it, like with custom comments and passing argument into it. Thanks for listening, and let me know what you think about it.